There is one laptop. This is the Intel LOQ. Uh, as you can see, a similar story as before. You do not have to wait for this laptop. Okay, it is available right away. The problem is it's not that great of spec for the price, but it is for those people who cannot wait or do not want to wait. The 23 days that it usually takes, now it's taking longer, and even orders are getting cancelled. So I don't know how many people would want to go into this, but let's say you want the laptop right away. At least you have an option that you can compare your other options against. At least you have that option. So this is the 13450HX with a 3050 6GB 3050. So it is 13450HX. In the price, the CPU is pretty decent. The problem is the GPU. 3050 at this price doesn't make sense. However, you cannot wait. You have to make some sacrifices in budget. So let's say you sacrifice the GPU, at least you get 100% sRGB screen, a laptop which we can get 3 years ADP. There shouldn't be any office. Let me just confirm that real quick. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There is no office. But all the Barbie girl people, all the who like Barbie girl, they have got forced on RGB. So I think they prioritize RGB over office because they realized that RGB sells. No one cares about office, do they? Why give functionality to people when they can get RGB? Anyways, 60 watt hour battery. Don't expect battery life from an HX CPU processor, that too from Intel, and that too 13th gen. 16 GB RAM. That's the main thing that's holding us back is the thermal design, which we have no idea how it performs. Hopefully, it isn't that bad. Hopefully, but yeah. So that's the laptop 85791 in the current prices. So it's 85791. You get ADP and bag at 3001 rupees, actually, not 3000. Total will be this. You DM me for discount code, you get 7% instant discount or more, depending on, I won't tell you. Card value is 82,787. Credit card cashback on full payment 4,139. It will take 45 days after delivery, so long time. Effective prices without ADP is 75,646. That is the price I have written here. Where is it? That is the price I have tried to come to here. Anyways, 75646. Why is it 8? 85791. I don't know. But yeah, near about here. So you pay 75K for a laptop, the decent CPU, but not so good GPU. But you get 100% sRGB right away. So whatever your other options are, do compare them to this laptop. There are your scores. These needs updating. That's why these are red. Once again, in the last, yes, it looks better, but I am worried if the aesthetics has taken a back seat and the functionality has taken a back seat. Thermals have taken a back seat in lieu of aesthetics, I think. Is it the case? Is it not the case? I have no idea because there aren't any benchmarks. Only a few. I think I've only found one video of this laptop actually being shown in a store, and he also didn't do anything. Anyways, so yeah, now LOQ is first. LOQ used to be Legion, now they're trying to be Alienware. With that said, thank you everyone.